Hi, welcome to the SPOTO channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on the upcoming IT certification and project management news. If you've recently started using a cloud service, such as AWS, GCP or Azure, you've probably discovered their certification program. Many people wonder if a cloud computing certification is worth it or not. In this video, we will discuss if a cloud certification should be pursued or not, what are the benefits of getting certified, and what you should be wary of. So let us get started. Cloud computing is a field in which cloud vendors offer services like storage, computation, security, networking, databases, machine learning, etc. on demand and based on how much they are used. Anyone in the world can use the Internet to get to these sources. These resources are kept up and watched over by vendors. You, as a consumer, use these resources and only pay for the ones you've used. This helps solve problems of upfront investments, infrastructure setup and maintenance and monitoring scalability. With all of these benefits, we see a lot of people wanting to invest in cloud computing. It is estimated that $300 billion will be put into cloud computing by the end of 2021. This has led to a gap between the skills and requirements of the people and the skills of the people who want to work. A lot of companies also want to hire people in the cloud domain. As the need for cloud computing has grown, companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform have become more well-known. So, they've come up with their own certifications, which makes us wonder if we should go for them or not. Let's start by thinking about why getting a certification is a good idea. So let's go ahead and look at each one in turn. As was already said, companies want cloud professionals who know how to use cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. Indeed.com's list of jobs showed that there are still 25,000 positions that need to be filled. As well as Indeed.com, there are a lot of other sites with contact information for cloud professionals. A survey found that over 120 Microsoft Azure platforms were worried that they wouldn't be able to find enough people with cloud skills to do the jobs. So, there are a lot of job openings for people who know how to work in the cloud. This is why getting a certification for the cloud can be helpful. DevOps is another important stream that has become more and more popular. It makes continuous software development easier by bringing the developers and operations teams closer together. So, this stream is becoming more popular. Popular cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure are easy to connect to DevOps. So, we expect to see a lot of certifications for DevOps on Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure in the near future. The first one is potential income. A good reason to get cloud certification is that it can help you move up in your company and earn more money. Administrators of the cloud, developers, and solutions architects all make good money. As a cloud professional, an administrator can make between $80,000 and $100,000 per year. On the other hand, developers with cloud certifications make an average of $120,000 per year. A cloud architect makes the most money, with an average salary of $125,000. With the right skills and certifications, this salary can go up to $200,000. Secondly, one is security. It is always best to invest in markets that are doing well or are expected to do well. One market like this is cloud computing, where the numbers are good and the number of job openings is expected to grow. If you try to invest in a field where there are more job openings than people applying for them, you have a better chance of getting a job in that field. The cloud is in the same situation. There are more job openings than there are skilled people who can fill them. Next is credibility. Microsoft puts a lot of value on certifications. They think that certifications can be a good way to find out how much someone knows. Microsoft and IDC say that certification, training, and experience are 3 of the top 4 things an organization may look for when hiring a cloud professional. So, if you have a certification in cloud computing, you may be able to help an organization reduce risks and cut costs when putting workloads into place. This also gives people the chance to work on projects related to the cloud, and your clients will see you as a credible SME. So, all you have to do is choose a specialization and decide if you want to be an administrator, a developer, or an architect. Choose a relevant certification, such as Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, or Amazon Web Services, and you should be good to go. Last but not least, jobs. Whenever we talk about getting these certifications or switching domains, making money or getting a job is always the end result. But because the market is so competitive, we always feel like we need to stand out. Getting certified is one way to do this. Once you get certified, you'll be able to enter the world of cloud computing. It won't get you a job, but it will make you stand out and make you look like someone who could have a career in cloud computing. We've seen why cloud computing certifications can help you close or lose deals. Let's talk about what you should watch out for when taking these tests. Cloud certifications are in demand, but they will not always transpire into careers. This is because certifications do not always confirm your competence in the domain. As an individual, you may have enough skills to clear a particular certification, but that does not guarantee a job, because the work environment may be more demanding. Hence, having the right set of skills along with the certification is also important. The reason companies hire certified professionals is that it makes it easier for them to filter out the candidates. The other reason is that it confirms the commitment of an individual to the domain. And in some cases, it is to ensure that they meet the norm of having a higher number of certified people board. Hence, it is always important to note that a cloud certifications may offer a hike or a better job role. But the certification means you are licensed to practice cloud computing. In no way does it confirm that you are competent to attain any cloud role in the domain. We must thoroughly plan our certifications. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have questions concerning this topic, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and our team will revert to you at the earliest. You can upskill with SPOTO Learning today and unlock your dream career.